They are among the most adaptable and intriguing mammals found across the globe. Foxes belong to the family Canidae, which also includes wolves, dogs, and other canids. Characterized by a flattened skull, triangular ears, a pointed snout, and a long bushy tail, foxes encompass 12 species recognized as true foxes under the genus Vulpes. There are several species of foxes, each adapted to different environments and exhibiting unique behaviors. Foxes are generally small to medium-sized, with a wide range of sizes depending on the species. Their fur color varies significantly, from the classic red of the red fox to the Arctic white of the Arctic fox. They are primarily nocturnal and are most active during dawn and dusk. There are about 37 species of foxes worldwide, with the most recognized being the red fox, Vulpes vulpes. Known for its reddish fur, it is found across North America, Europe, and parts of Asia. They thrive in wooded areas where they can find cover and abundant prey. Renowned for their intelligence and cunning nature, foxes exhibit complex social behaviors. They are typically solitary hunters, but may form small family groups during breeding seasons. Their communication methods are diverse, involving vocalizations, body language, and scent marking to convey information to one another. They are skilled hunters and use various techniques to locate and catch their prey. Their keen eyesight and acute sense of hearing allow them to detect movement even in low light. They often employ a pouncing technique, leaping into the air to surprise their prey. Foxes inhabit every continent except Antarctica. Their broad distribution and cultural representation as cunning creatures have solidified their status in folklore worldwide. In the north, the Arctic fox, Vulpes lagopus, also known as the white fox or snow fox, has adapted to cold climates. This species has a thick coat that changes color with the seasons, providing excellent camouflage. There is the common Arctic fox and the Siberian Arctic fox, Vulpes lagopus beringensis, generally larger and found mainly in Siberia. Most individuals have a short lifespan in the wild, typically not exceeding 1 year, although some can live up to 11. America also has the gray fox. Unlike other members of the genus Vulpes and similar foxes, they possess oval pupils rather than the typical slit-shaped ones. This species, along with its sole relative, the small island fox, Eurasian littoralis, found in the California Channel Islands, represents the only extant members of the genus Eurasian, which is regarded as genetically close to all other living canids. The species name Cinerio argenteus translates to ashen silver. They have a distinctive coat that is mostly grey with reddish-brown patches on the face, neck and legs. Their underbelly is lighter, and they have a black stripe running down the length of their tail. The grey fox has evolved specialized adaptations for climbing trees. Its robust, hooked claws enable it to ascend trees, allowing it to evade various predators, including domestic dogs and coyotes. It can scale vertical branchless trunks up to 18 meters high and leap between branches. They are omnivorous, feeding on a diverse diet that includes small mammals, birds, fruits, and insects. Africa is host to several fox species. In the north, the fennec fox Vulpes zerda, which is the smallest of the fox species, native to the Sahara Desert and distinguished by its large ears, which help dissipate heat. It is perfectly adapted to desert life, utilizing its keen sense of hearing to locate prey beneath the sand. A close relative is the bat-eared fox, Otokion megalotis. This is a species of fox found on the African savanna, and it is the only extant species of the genus Otokion. They are typically located in short grasslands and drier parts of savannas, along the borders of woodlands, and within open acacia forests. Their preference leans towards bare soil and regions where grazing ungulates maintain a short grass height. They primarily hunt in these environments, characterized by low shrubs and short grass. Nevertheless, when faced with threats, they may retreat into areas with taller grasses and denser shrubs for cover. The Cape fox, Vulpes chama, native to southern Africa, is recognized for its large ears, resembling those of a fennec fox. It is unique to sub-Saharan Africa and retains primitive features of the vulpes lineage due to its early divergence in evolution. The Cape fox is susceptible to predation from lions, while its juveniles may fall victim to the honey badger. Additionally, it can be hunted by black-backed jackals and various other predators, including African leopards, caracals, as well as birds of prey, such as hawks and owls. Like foxes, jackals are often depicted as clever sorcerers in the myths and legends of their regions. As a predator, the jackal has had great success across Africa and Eurasia. Compared to members of the genus Canis, the black-backed jackal represents a very ancient species, exhibiting minimal changes since the Pleistocene era. It stands as the most primitive wolf-like canine, alongside its closely related counterpart, the side-striped jackal. This species resembles a fox, characterized by a coat that ranges from reddish-brown to tan, featuring a distinctive black saddle that stretches from its shoulders to the base of its tail. The black-backed jackal is monogamous, with offspring often remaining with their parents to assist in the upbringing of subsequent generations of pups. Its diet is diverse, consisting of small to medium-sized animals, plant matter, and human refuse. The wolf is the largest living species within the canidae family. It can be differentiated from coyotes and jackals by its wider snout, smaller ears, shorter body, and longer tail. Wolves are found in a variety of habitats across the globe, from the Arctic tundra to temperate forests. Historically, their range has diminished due to human activities, but they still occupy substantial territories in certain regions. In North America, wolves are primarily distributed in Canada and Alaska, with smaller populations in the contiguous United States. The gray wolf, Canis lupus, is the most common species, thriving in national parks and protected areas. Wolves are apex predators, and their diet mainly consists of large ungulates. They often hunt large herbivores such as deer, elk, moose, and caribou. They are known for their cooperative hunting strategies. They often work as a pack to track, chase, and bring down prey, utilizing their speed, endurance, and teamwork. This social structure allows them to take down larger prey that would be difficult for a single wolf to manage. In areas where large ungulates are scarce, wolves may hunt smaller mammals, including rabbits, hares, rodents, and beavers. They are also opportunistic feeders and will scavenge carrion when available. In some regions, particularly near water sources, wolves may also include fish and birds in their diet. According to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, the recovery of the gray wolf in the northern Rocky Mountains and the western Great Lakes is a testament to successful conservation strategies. The Eurasian wolf, Canis lupus lupus, is a subspecies of the gray wolf and is found across Europe and Asia. Adapting to a variety of habitats, including forests, tundras, and grasslands. These wolves are known for their social structure, typically living in packs, which are often family groups. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems as top predators, helping to maintain the balance of prey populations. In mythology, wolves have been significant figures in various cultures around the world, often symbolizing strength, loyalty, and cunning. In many European mythologies, wolves are depicted as powerful creatures, sometimes associated with gods or heroes. In Norse mythology, the wolf Fenrir is a prominent figure, prophesied to kill the god Odin during Ragnarok, the end of the world. Fenrir's story reflects themes of fate and the struggle between order and chaos. In Roman mythology, the she-wolf is famously associated with the legend of Romulus and Remus, the twin brothers credited with founding Rome. According to the myth, they were raised by a she-wolf, symbolizing strength and nurturing. The population of Eurasian wolves has fluctuated over the years. In some areas, populations are stable or increasing, while in others, they are declining due to habitat loss, hunting, and persecution. The coyote, Canis latrans, commonly referred to as the American jackal, prairie wolf, or brush wolf, is a canine species indigenous to North America. The coyote diverged from the gray wolf around 1 to 2 million years ago. Genetic studies suggest that the coyote and wolf share a common ancestor that lived in North America. The coyote is also slightly smaller than the eastern wolf and red wolf. While it occupies a similar ecological role to that of the golden jackal in Eurasia, the coyote tends to be larger in size. They are opportunistic omnivores. Their diet can vary significantly depending on their habitat and the availability of food. They primarily hunt small mammals, such as rabbits, hares, rodents, and squirrels. In many Native American cultures, the coyote is often depicted as a trickster figure in folklore and mythology, symbolizing adaptability and cunning. Stories about coyotes vary widely among tribes, reflecting their importance in indigenous cultures. The Arctic wolf, Canis lupus arctos, is another subspecies of the gray wolf that is native to the Arctic regions of North America and Greenland. They inhabit the tundra and pack ice of the Arctic, and to do so are well adapted to extreme cold, and can be found in areas with temperatures that can drop below -40 degrees. They are typically smaller than their grey wolf counterparts and have thick fur that is usually white or light grey, which helps them blend into their snowy environment. Their fur is also denser and provides insulation against the cold. They hunt a variety of animals from caribou and muskoxen to the much smaller hares, lemmings and voles. They will scavenge on carcasses left by other predators or those that have died from natural causes. When seasons permit, they also take seabirds and their eggs. Of all the species in the Canidae family, the Arctic wolves live in the harshest of all realms of the animal kingdom.